Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the feature in Settings because nothing works until the phone can display Dynamic Island. Open Notifications, find Dynamic Island and toggle it on. The system will ask permissions, so grant notification and alert access. Once done, choose Always On for constant feedback or Smart Mode to save battery. This balances visibility versus power. Make sure Do Not Disturb exceptions are set, otherwise urgent alerts won't peek through. Now you're ready to use the visual area for interactions. Next, customize how Dynamic Island behaves so it serves your workflow. Go into Dynamic Island settings and prioritize apps. Select calls, timers, media apps first. This ensures the most important events show up. Then tweak size and animation speed. Faster animations feel snappier, but slightly slower ones reduce accidental taps. Map single tap and long press actions to open app, expand, or dismiss. This makes interactions predictable. Also configure notification grouping and persistent widgets, so the island stays useful without cluttering the screen. Finally, practice using Dynamic Island. Place a call, play music, start a timer, and watch how the island expands and offers controls. If things go wrong, reboot the phone first. Often that clears UI glitches. If rebooting fails, reset Dynamic Island settings and confirm your Oppo Reno 13 is on the latest update. Compatibility fixes arrive in patches. Make sure battery saver or certain accessibility options aren't limiting animations, because these often block the island's interactive behaviors. With that, you're set to use it daily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.